So we have the front and the back. I will cut lining on this and interface it. Lining on this, interface only this portion. Then we'll be good to go. I guess we'll be done with the top part. We'll be remaining with the second part, which is the skirt. So let's cut the lining. So what you do with this, you the front part is done, lined, oh not yet lined, interfaced, and that's the back part. This fabric looks so good. It looks so amazing, and I'm so excited to see how the dress is going to turn out, because the dress is going to look awesome. Oh, and look at that. Yes, no. Okay, I think nah. Okay, it's okay. Not bad. Huh? Does it? I don't know. Okay, let me first finish it and we'll see what we can put. Okay, so from this, I'll take this on the sewing machine now. Sew it, line it. We'll be back shortly. So the dress part, the top part, this is it, and it's done. It looks really beautiful. This is the top part. Looks beautiful, and the down part looks amazing. This is the down part. I don't know if gosh, okay, so this is the down part. We're going to put it like this. Oops. Wow. Okay, mommy, are you guys able to see? Oh gosh. Okay, let me, ouch, let me just finish it so that, wow, it's coming up good. It's coming up good, good, good. Okay, let me just pull it. So you have an idea of how the dress is going to be. But it looks good, and I'm excited to just finish it up. Oh, here we are. Yep, finish it up, finish it up, finish it up. It looks amazing. Prom dress, African prom dress. Okay, bye. Okay, let me just attach the down part to the men. So what I'll do now is attach the down, this part. Maybe I should, oh, okay. Oh, gosh. So what I'll do is attach this to the dress part. Oh, to this lovely, lovely, lovely dress part. But first, let me put the zipper. That's why now I'll attach it here. It's actually easier when you do that, and like attach the bottom part and then put a zipper. It will be hard to just move around on the sewing machine. So I would advise you to first put a zipper, then attach it to this. Oh my god, this dress is lovely. It looks good. It looks good already. Looking forward to just take pictures so you see, and hoping I'll take you through the fitting with the bride. Yep. Alright, bye. Guys, the dress looks good. I'm just trying it on. Look at these, guys. Look. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so I'll go finish this up at my workplace because it's late. I have to go for work. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's so good. I'll actually add a net. Oh, there. I'll add some hard net over there. Oh, this just looks good. I'm getting my camera and I'm going with it for work so that you see. This room is so dirty, but the dress looks good, right? Oh.